In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to edit and correct a payment that is already deposited. If you've ever marked a payment as deposited and then realized the details weren't quite right, don't worry. QuickBooks Online lets you safely back up, make corrections, and get everything back in order without recreating transactions from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact path so you know what to click, why you're clicking it, and what to expect on screen. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking to the left navigation panel. Click Accounting. From there, locate the bank account or register where the payment shows as deposited and open the transaction you want to fix. You're simply identifying the deposit that needs correction so you can reverse its categorized status. Now, click Undo. Think of undo as unhooking the transaction from its deposited state. This action does not delete the bank feed item, and it doesn't touch your actual bank account. It simply moves that item out of the categorized or reviewed area and returns it to a place where you can edit it. This is helpful because once a transaction is set as deposited, certain details are locked in place. Undo frees them up so you can make the changes you need. After you click Undo, head to the For Review tab. You'll find the same transaction waiting there. Click it to open the details. This is where you can correct what went wrong, update the payee, adjust the category, fix the memo, add a class or location, or correct any splits if the transaction should be allocated to multiple accounts. Take a moment to make sure the date, amount, and any notes are accurate and consistent with your records. Clear, descriptive memos and accurate categories go a long way toward reliable reports, so it's worth double-checking. When you're satisfied with the edits, confirm the changes on that same for review item so it's properly recorded again. The transaction will move back out of for review and into your books with the corrected details. If you're managing reconciliations, keep in mind that you've only undone and recategorized the item. You haven't removed it from your bank feed, and you haven't altered your real bank balance. That's all there is to it. By going to Accounting, opening the deposited transaction, clicking Undo, and then editing it from the For Review tab, you can cleanly correct mistakes and keep your books accurate with just a few clicks. If you follow this flow anytime a deposited payment needs attention, you'll stay consistent and confident in your records.